Hello student, welcome chemistry class. So last time I teach you isomerism, that is classified in two categories, structure and geometrical isomerism. So stereoisomerism, you all know that stereoisomerism, that is also classified in two categories, that is your geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Last time studies your geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4, and that's the coordination 4 complexes, that is the form the geometric square planar complexes. Now today start with your octahedral complexes. You all know that ki octahedral complexes, that is the coordination number is your 6. Okay. So here the two types of general compounds formation octahedral complexes, like your metal A4B2 complexes, and second one is your MAA twice, that is B2 type complexes. Okay, so here A and B, that is representations for your ligand. A4 stands for your, that is a 4 ligands, that is the same when means that is a chlorine present as a ligand, that is the 4 form of chlorine, and second is your B2, that is a 2 form of second ligands. Okay, so I will take your example of this complexes. You can see here, easily relate this complex with this example, that is positive sign of this complex is arise the positive sign. Okay, and second one is your, that is cobalt Cl2 and En twice. So here, that is AA stands for, that is your bidentate ligand, and twice stands for your two ligands. Okay, so draw this complex structure. You can see here, first is your cobalt, then second is your chlorine attached with your axial position, and second one is your NH3, similarly NH3, similarly NH3 here, and NH3 to make a octahedral structure Cl. Okay, so this is your cis isomer. You all know that when the ligands attach to the second of the near ligand in the same sideways, that is your formation of cis isomer. Similarly, second condition arises here when the chlorine attach at the opposite side on their axial position, that is your NH3, 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 NH3. Okay, so this is your trans isomer because chlorine is present is your opposite side, so that's why they called as a geometrical isomerism. Okay, so next is your second type of complex, that is when the cobalt attached with your chlorine similarly like this manner, Cl. Here the second ligand, that is your bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligands are those in which when the atom, two atoms, that is donator of the electron to central metal atom, the formation of coordination complex. So here use the En, this complex to form like this structure. Okay, so this is your chlorine attached to the nearest, so that's why they called as a cis isomer. And second one is your when the cobalt and the chlorine attached with your opposite side. Okay, so this is your isomerism structure. So you know that ethane diamine, that is your bidentate ligand, and they donate the number of two atom, that is donate the electron through central metal of atom. Okay, so this is your trans isomer complex under the octahedral complexes. Okay, student, next is your facial and meridional geometrical isomerism. These are the two types of isomerism arise here. So first is your phase anemour isomer. Under the phase isomer, when the three ligands with donor atom are on the same trigonal phase of the octahedral complexes. Okay, repeated once again. Three ligands with donor atom. Only the three ligands with donor atoms are on the same trigonal phase of the octahedral complexes is called phase isomer. And when these ligands are on the same equatorial plane of the octahedral complexes, this called your mer isomer. Okay, so I will take example and you can easily understand this. Take example, cobalt, tris ammonia and chloride. So you can see here and easily understand when the here draw the octahedral complex. This is your octahedral complex is Cl, Cl, and firstly draw your phase isomer. What's the statement of phase isomer? You can see here when that is your these ligands is your present in the equatorial position. So equatorial positions when the chlorine NH3, this is your, this is chlorine and chlorine NH3. So under the phase statement, when the three ligands with donor atoms are on the same trigonal phase of the octahedral complexes, that is your phase isomer. So here chlorine that is present in your trigonal. Okay, so this is your basically triangular phase planar structure. Okay, similarly when these chlorine, these ligands are on the same equatorial plane of the octahedral complexes, that is called as a mer isomer. Okay, this is the chlorine present in your equatorial position, so that's why they called as a mer isomer. Okay, that is your second classification of stereoisomer, that is your optical isomerism. So under this statement, optical isomerism, uh, during the optical isomerism are those complexes, compounds whose molecules are not a complex, a compound whose molecules are not superimposable on the mirror image, and that is your chiral molecules. Those molecules that is not superimposable mirror image, that is called chiral molecules, and it is also shows the optical isomerism. I will take your example, the chiral molecules. When carbon atom attach with different atom or group of atom, that is called chiral molecules. Okay, so under the optical isomerism, when these isomer which rotate the plane of polarized light to the right is called dextrorotatory. This